Lesson 3. How to ensure your MVP is aligned with customers' needs. To ensure that your MVP is aligned with customers' needs, it's important to conduct user research and testing throughout the development process, which should include conducting customer interviews to understand their needs, creating personas to represent different types of users, creating user stories to define the specific features that will address user needs, conducting usability testing to see how users interact with the product, gathering feedback from early adopters to improve the product, and using analytics to track user behavior and engagement. Some of the best solutions for aligning your MVP with customer needs are using a minimum lovable product or MLP approach, which prioritizes features that creates emotional connection with users. Building a minimum viable audience or MVA to focus on a small group of users who are most likely to adopt the product, creating an alpha product which is a limited release to a small group of users for testing, and using a beta product which is a wider release to gather feedback and make improvements.